How to draw on Microsoft Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily draw on Microsoft Word. So let's dive right in. Open up your Word document and then beside insert you'll see draw. Go ahead and tap on it and here you'll see various options to draw. So you have various pencils right here and you can even change the color according to your wish. And you can even choose effects if you want to. And then there's highlighter options as well, or you can even add more pencil, pen, or highlighter. And there's a ruler option if you want to make straight lines. So the ruler will help you make a straight line. However, if you've made a mistake, don't worry. You can even use eraser and then you can erase it so easily. It's as simple as that to draw in Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.